You can change the look and style of the Avanti neurons for ITSM to best fit your organization. You can customize visual elements such as colors, fonts, and logos. There are two different ways that this can be done. First, through highlighter styles, which allow you to style lists, forms, labels, and controls. An example would be to highlight requests and incidents submitted by VIP users. The style editor allows you to define the look of the overall application. This is where you can adjust the logo, headers, footers, panels, and workspaces. You can also customize a workspace by role. Next, you will see some common examples of using these styles. At the conclusion of this training, you will be ready to experiment and start styling Avanti neurons for ITSM. Matt Reber, the Avanti neurons for ITSM administrator you will meet in other modules, wants to add both highlighter styles and use the style editor to customize the interface. You will see how he customizes his environment in this training. But first, let's see how to access the highlighter styles in Style Editor. From the home page, click on the wrench. Underneath Build, click on User Interface Styles. Now highlighter styles or the Style Editor can be selected. This will be the starting point for all styles. Matt wants all incidents that are priority 1 to be highlighted in red with a bold font. To accomplish this, he will use a highlighter style. Start by clicking Highlighter Style since this will be highlighting an element on a list. Click Add New. Then choose the style properties you would like to change by dragging them to the Dynamic Style Definition window and setting the properties. You can change fonts, backgrounds, and borders. Highlighter styles use standard CSS elements. This has a red background with bold text, as seen in the preview. Name this style Incident Highlight, and then click Save. Click Business Objects now. Then select Incidents. You will add the style to the incident list. Click Layouts. Then the Service Desk Incident Layout. Click Grid View, then select Edit List. This will open the incident list. You will need to click on List Properties to add the style. In List Properties, click Expression. The application of this style is contingent on priority level, and you specify that through an expression. Enter if priority is equal to 1. Then apply the incident highlight style, else apply the default style. Click Save, then click Submit. The style is now applied on the incident list. You've now created a highlighter style. Next, you will customize the login page. Start by clicking Style Editor and click the Login Page tab. First, we will change the layout to Enterprise. There are several other layout options to choose from. Next, change the background to a light blue color. You do that by entering a hex color code here. Then, change the title to IT Help Portal. You can have the title be whatever you would like. Next, under Logo, you can customize the logo that is being shown. Change it to the Remote Peak Hotel logo. Make sure to save your changes. This is what the redesigned login page looks like. There are other elements, such as the login button, that could have also been customized. Use these options to brand the login page in a way that fits your organization. Now let's customize the application. You have a lot of flexibility here too, but we'll talk about some of the key customization options. Within the Style Editor now, select Application. The first thing you will do is add a logo to the header. Notice that the Remote Peak Hotel logo is now visible in the preview area. Also on the header and footer is the background color. Set that to a light blue using the same hex code that you use on the login page. You can see that the preview area shows a light blue background on the header. The last element you want to customize is the color that is displayed on an Active Workspace tab. Select Active and change that to a red color. You can see what that looks like on the right. With all these changes, be advised there is no way to revert back to original. Changes are permanent, so be careful. This is what the application looks like now with the edits complete. You can see the background color, logo, and active header have all been customized. You can also edit the home page for a role. Back in the Style Editor, simply select a role at the top and adjust the application for that role.